The common octopus. 8 arms, 3 hearts, 9 brains, and absolutely 0 bones. It is basically a sentient bag of wet pudding. Why 9 brains? Because coordinating 8 legs without tripping over yourself requires a supercomputer. The survival rate is 0.01%. Imagine a lottery where the prize is just not becoming fish poop. Here is the build. Intelligence? Off the charts. Skeleton? None. It's the ultimate glass cannon. It begins with Mom. She guards 200,000 eggs for months, starving herself. It's the most extreme diet plan in history. Hatching time. They're called paralarvae. They look like microscopic aliens invading Earth. Phase 1 is just drifting. They're part of the plankton soup. Tasty soup. A whale arrives. There go 10,000 siblings in one gulp. Family reunions are sparsely attended. If they survive the drift, they drop to the floor. Welcome to the benthic zone. Walking is hard. Imagine trying to coordinate 8 shoelaces that are alive. It discovers its defense system, a panic sneeze of ink. Very scary to a shrimp. The world is full of teeth. Rule number 1, hide. Be the clan. They grow fast, from rice grain to dinner plate in months. The grind never stops. Their skin is a biological TV screen. They can match any texture or color. Now you see him, now he's a rug. Dinner time. Crabs are favorite, a crunchy snack with a bad attitude. Hidden under all those arms is a sharp beak, like a parrot, but underwater and carnivorous. They use tools. They build fortresses out of coconut shells. They're the architects of the seafloor. They are terrifyingly smart. They can solve puzzles, open child-proof caps, and judge your fashion choices. Humans are annoying. No, I don't want to be in your selfie. Go away. Pocket sand, or rather, ink, the ultimate smoke bomb for a dramatic exit.
Ouch, that was my favorite arm. Just kidding, I have 7 more. Regeneration powers activate. It grows back. They are basically made of biological Play-Doh. Fun fact, they have blue blood. Copper-based, not iron. True aristocracy. But the reef has monsters. The music is changing. Why do I hear boss music? It's too quiet. The moray eel. 2 jaws, 0 manners. The nemesis of the octopus. It's high noon on the reef. Soft body versus razor teeth. Strike. Jet propulsion activate. It sucks water in and blasts it out like a bio-rocket. The eel is fast, and it can fit in crevices too. It's a high-speed tunnel chase. Dead end. Nowhere to run. Time for the secret weapon. Eat ink. Chemical warfare. No bones means no limits. If the beak fits, the whole body fits. It pours itself into safety. The eel has a skull. The eel has a concussion. Physics wins. The predator gives up. It can't eat what it can't reach. Safe in the fortress of glass. Surviving the 0.01% takes brains, ink, and being liquid. The common octopus, the genius of the ocean. Short life, big brain, incredible escape artist. Nature is weird and squishy. Thanks for watching. Who is next? The goth of the deep, the vampire squid, or the hypnotist, the cuttlefish? Vote now. Smash that subscribe button with all 8 arms. See you next time.